This video will contain spoilers from the manga, you have been warned. So hello and welcome to Wonder WhyZ, my name is Soham and thank you so much for joining in. In this video we are going to talk about Dr. Stone because there is something very exciting which is about to come up in the next couple of chapters. But before that, if you are new here then please consider subscribing to our channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content along with a bunch of other stuff. With that being said, let's begin the video. Now currently in the manga arc of Dr. Stone, Senku and gang's adventures in Barcelona are over. It was quite quick and we didn't really get any major character introductions. It was just going there, harvesting the necessary elements and just done. But after this particular point, we are going to enter a new arc which is going to be situated in none other than India. Now as an Indian anime fan myself, I was quite excited to see this particular addition to the story and that led me to make this video. And this is basically a prediction video where I'm going to give you all my thoughts as to what exactly might happen in this new India arc which is going to be centered around establishing a new math city. Now according to Senku, they are going to reach India and establish the new math city. Now initially to do something like that, they were considering to go all the way down from the southernmost part of Africa, that is Cape of Good Hope, and then traverse back to India. But now after clearing the Suez Canal, they can directly take a shortcut and reach to India, and therefore they are going to establish a new math city. Now there are certain implications to this particular thing as to what exactly or where exactly this new math city is actually going to be established, because India is a pretty big country. Now honestly, if you ask me, there are certain things, certain places which can be a proper ground for establishing this new math city for a number of different reasons. Now if we are talking about India and maths, then obviously two main mathematicians come to everyone's mind. The first one is obviously Aryabhatta, who was born in Patliputra, or rather modern day Patna. And the second one is Srinivasa Ramanujan, who was born in Erode, Tamil Nadu. Now logically it would be quite sensible to make this new mathematics city in these two locations, but can they actually reach this particular point? Because according to geography, they're most probably going to reach the west coast of India via the Arabian Sea, and the biggest city in this particular regard is obviously Mumbai, or rather Bombay, which lies directly on the west coast of India. And yeah, there might be some sort of a global impact which has occurred in this city, because we know 3700 years have already passed by, but still there's a very high chance that they are actually going to reach Mumbai itself, because both the other cities are quite inside the country's mainland and it would be probably difficult for Senku and gang to traverse all the way back to there. Now beyond that, what exactly might be the reason for Senku and gang to come to India? Because it's not just that they are going to establish a city based upon mathematics in itself. Sure, Senku wants to revive the civilization, and that is one of the major reasons he's reviving these major locations which had a cultural impact, and that is possibly why India is getting the next treatment. But even beyond that, I feel like a major reason for something like this is none other than ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organization is possibly one of the most famous space research organization right after NASA itself, and it would be quite sensible for Senku to revive someone from India who is basically an ISRO scientist, because that is going to give him more command or more power in relation to Zeno, because Zeno is obviously having a more commanding presence over the NASA base. That is kind of going to divide the powers equally, and we already know that Zeno is not a goody-goody person as such, and he obviously has his own personal motives as well, so therefore it would be quite logical or quite sensible for Senku to enlist someone from his own faction who is going to help him to make this particular rocket. And therefore I feel like there's quite a chance that someone from India is going to get revived and is going to be added to the kingdom of science. I know that the last couple of places that Senku and gang have visited have not really had a major impact upon the story, for example Barcelona and even Brazil for that matter, but I do feel like India might get a smaller arc in this particular regard. I'm not saying that this is going to be a major arc or anything like that, but I do feel like someone from ISRO might get revived. At the same time, because we are talking about ISRO, since Senku and gang will have to eventually go back to Japan as well, there's also a small chance that they might go to the side of Bay of Bengal as well, because Sriharikota is actually the launching pad for all the launching missions of ISRO, which lies on the Bay of Bengal. So again, there's a 50-50 chance that both of the places can be visited by Senku. It depends upon his perspective. Also, something interesting to note here is that if Senku and gang actually decided to travel up to Bay of Bengal, then there's a slight possibility for them to reach Kolkata as well, which is yet another coastal city. But even more than that, it is actually the birthplace for yet another popular Indian mathematician, or rather Indian physicist, in the form of Surendranath Bose. Now, something very interesting to note about him is that he's best known for his work on quantum mechanics in the early 1920s, collaborating with Albert Einstein in developing the foundation of Bose-Einstein statistics, which basically went on to become the foundation for the Higgs boson, or rather the God particle. I'm pretty sure that Senku would be very interested about this particular thing, and there's a possibility or a very slight chance for him to eventually reach the hometown of this scientist as well. So my personal guess here is that this math city is going to be established mostly keeping in mind ISRO. Moreover, because this series has utilized memes so far in a very spectacular manner, I do feel like the series might give a reference to the meme about Indian YouTubers, or rather Indian teachers on YouTube who teach everyone about science and mathematics. So yeah, there's a very high chance that Boichi might add that particular meme here. But obviously beyond that, some people are a little skeptical in this particular matter, especially after keeping in mind the recent incidents of Record of Ragnarok. So therefore, I just hope that no religious angle is just included in this particular regard. This series doesn't really have that much stereotypes involved here. Yeah, sure, normal stereotypes are generally involved, like how America is depicted with guns, cornfields, and how Brazil is depicted with carnivals. They can sure involve some of the religious or some of the cultural impacts of India after some of the people are revived here. Maybe some of the natives put a garland around Senku's head because they revived him after all. But beyond that, I do not want to include an unnecessary religious angle. There are certainly other ways in which religion can be involved here. I just do not want it to be in this particular matter. It would be kind of redundant, especially now that we are talking about science and mathematics. Because number one, Senku doesn't really care about religion, and number two, he is simply going there in order to keep science as a focus. So essentially, there's no necessity to add any religious angle, any religious political figure who is, say, revived and is someone who is against this scientific endeavor and basically acts like a parallel to the first season Tsukasa. I just don't want something like that to happen, and that is simply my personal opinion here, and let's see what happens. I do believe that this is not going to be any major arc, but rather a smaller arc, but it might have some major ramifications into the story moving forward. Moreover, if at all they are more interested or keen upon exploring India, they might also head towards Delhi. I don't know how practical that would be, but especially keeping in mind the monument of Jantar Mantar. But even then, these are simply my predictions about the upcoming arc of Dr. Stone, that is the Math City India arc. So what do you guys think about all of these things? Please do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are an Indian anime fan, are you excited about this? I would love to know your opinions as well. So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. Also, please join our Discord server, there's a lot of fun things going on there. And secondly, please join the Naruto fandom server as well. There's a lot of interesting stuff going on there. If you're an anime fan, you are definitely going to love it for sure. Link to both of these servers are in the description below. With that being said guys, thank you so much for joining in. Also, please join the channel membership for some very cool perks and features. So that's it for today guys, this is Wonder WhyZ and I'll see you soon on the next one.